crude oil and natural gas both traded bearish. It is specifically natural gas which is now moved close to the next target zone at 2.8. Now, if you watch crude oil, if you followed crude oil, we have mentioned and discussed one thing yesterday. 61.8, 61.5 should be a very good resistance, and you can see right now a struggle in oil prices at the same zone. While it is natural gas, as I have mentioned, that once it trades below 2.8584, we can expect a stronger slide. Right now it is struggling to stay below. What to expect today from oil and gas? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. And friends, the next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates. Your every like, comment, share, and subscribe is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities so that you can profit across sessions. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till. If you look at oil prices on the hourly chart, see, very important point to note. Look at the support here. Lower highs are seen and a flat bottom. Very important point to note that once it trades now below 61.5, that should confirm a breakout, and the inventory data today might help it doing so. However, right now till 61.5, 61.4 is not taken, I will not be treating oil as bearish. Yes, I'll not be treating oil as bearish as long as 61.5, 61.4 is not taken. What's happening here? Every drop follows with a retracement, and now it is consolidating here. On the upside, there are crucial resistances for oil to break beyond. Now 62.2 is one such resistance, and hence 62.5, 62.6. These levels you should watch out for. Right now, it is trying to trade bearish. The moving averages are trading with divergence here. The stochastic coming to oversold zone, while the MACD has crossed over here and suggestive of slight bullishness, while the RSI is staying flat. On the 2 hour charts, now on the 2 hour charts, I do see this as, see what is happening here. You can see it is bottoming here, and once it breaks out, this should lead to another round of good down move. Though it is right now in a consolidation phase, you can see the bearishness getting diminished, but it is not yet leaving the bearish nature here. For this to confirm, very important for oil to trade beyond 64. That is the only level beyond which you can say the bulls are taking over. Now here you can see 20 period is offering it a very good resistance, and thus for the day 62.2 becomes our buying trade. Beyond this you can expect 62.5, 62.6 as the first target zone. If that is taken, then 63, and for the day it is 63. A move beyond 63 will confirm the reversal here. Possibilities there. Stochastic right now looking down. The MACD is also trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI is almost flat here. On the 3 hour observation is same. It is forming a very strong support here. Lower highs are seen. We have to wait for a breakout here. Right now it is in the mode of consolidation. Right now it is trying to trade bearish, and once it trades below 61.5, 61.4, we can expect the next move towards 61, towards 60.5 and 60. The crucial number is at 60, because below 60 it is going to deliver massive bearishness. Stochastic is rising though, which is supportive of the bullishness. The MACD is almost flat, though it is crossed over on sell side, and the RSI is flat as well. On the 4 hour, now see how it is performed on the 4 hour charts. Look at this candle, then this candle, and then this candle. Now if you divide this it from here, red green, red green, what preceded this was a good red candle, what could follow is a greener candle. But for this to confirm, first oil prices need to trade beyond 62.2 and then 62.5, 62.6. Very crucial resistance is till 62.6. Trading beyond 62.6 is where we can expect slight bullishness, and then specifically beyond 63 this might head above 64. Right now it is staying bearish. It is consolidating here, not showing or not taking any direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat, and the RSI almost flat. Coming to on the daily charts, the moving averages crossing over here, certainly a bearish sign. Look at the formation for the near term. You can see the great drop, the retracement, then the drop. Now it is at the cusp here at the bottom, and it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Any move below 60 should confirm near term bearishness here, which should take the prices all the way towards 57.8 and in fact 55 levels. But right now, I will say I'm not in favor of such a drop. Look at the now last few sessions move. Lower highs, we have clearly mentioned, we have discussed. Lower lows, these two breakouts you can avoid. And see, this is the channel, this is the narrow channel in which it is trying to trade. Now for the day, 61.4, 61.5, ultimate one, and 61, the stronger one. A breakout below 61, you have to just stay short. What's happening here? Look at these candles. See, this is the reversal, this is consolidation, and now a breakout on the upside or a reversal on the upside cannot be denied or can be expected. Stochastic flat here. The MACD is traded bearish, it is still staying bearish. The RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels, but before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you are just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries related to the services. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now, yes, the buying entries you have seen, you can buy at 62.2. This is the first and crucial resistance. This is the strongest one. A move beyond 63 should confirm the bullishness here, and a move beyond 64 should confirm a reversal for the near term, where 66 is going to be the first and 68 and 70 should be the next. Right now, it is not showing strength here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 61.6. Expect 61.4. This is the stronger support here. Below this, expect 61.1, 60.5, then 60. Any trade below 60, stay short for 59.3, 57.8. This is the most strongest number on the downside below 60, where below which you can expect 55, the next target. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas on the weekly charts first, you can find out there was a huge gap left here. It is almost on the verge of filling this gap, and hence till 2.78 you have to be cautious, below which you can expect more patience. But let's focus on the near term. What has happened in natural gas on the hourly chart? See, it was dropping here, then sideways movement, and as we have discussed that once it trades below this zone, specifically below 2.88, you can expect a good slide first towards 2.8485, then next towards 2.8. What has happened? We have seen a good slide and it is staying in a zone. Now on the upside you can find out, see, it is waited for the moving averages to come down, and now 2.86 is one such zone it has to break beyond. If you see natural gas trading beyond 2.86, stay bullish for 2.9, and 2.9, which was the support earlier, 2.9 and 2.92, this is going to be the resistance on the upside, because beyond this you can expect the bulls to take over. Right now it is trading bearish. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD has hit a bottom here. It has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is at bottom as well. Look at 2 hour. Similar observation on the 2 hour charts here. Lower highs here, lower lows here. Trying to trade in the box here. We have to wait for it to come out of the box. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. And now see this, staying in the zone, we have to wait for it to come out of this. Now very important, 2.9, 2.92 zone, and then 2.96 and 3 till 3, it's not yet to be treated for a reversal. Notice, look at this move and this move, almost identical, and the lows are moderately, you can see, lower here. So this is a moderate bearish channel, and the highs again on the upside can be expected soon. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. The RSI is flat at bottom. On the 3 hour charts, when you see, now on the 3 hour charts, yes, I will just see the moves here, just mark these moves. Every such drop follows with a slight retracement here, and thus a possible retracement towards 2.95 cannot be denied, but I'll say too early to conclude with that. Yes, things are getting oversold, be it the stochastic. Look at the MACD, this is also trading bearish. The RSI is also flat here. While on the 4 hour, similar observation, the moving averages are trading sharply bearish, trading with divergence, looking downwards. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trading bearish here as well, looking downward. So signs are still very much bearish. RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to the daily chart. Now see the daily charts, see the divergence here, strong bearishness is indicated, and there is a huge span right now from 3 to 3.4. Somewhere here with the median at 3.2, and we know that 3.2 is a strongest hurdle on the daily chart. See this, multiple attempts by gas to break beyond, and failing to do so, we have seen the prices trading lower. Now this is how it has been trading. Where are the lows aiming at? Once it trades below 2.78, the ideal target is going to be towards 2.6. But let's focus on today. See this, whenever you see such bigger bearish move, it tries to retrace a little here. And now it is possible that this drop is done and we can see a possible retracement. A retracement towards 2.96 or 3. But beyond 3, if it trades, that should confirm a reversal for the day and for the week. Stochastic bearish, the MACD at bottom, the RSI at bottom. So things are slightly oversold here. Hence, a recovery cannot be denied. Now, where you should buy? I will recommend you to buy at 2.86, expect 2.9, 2.925, 2.95. If it trades beyond this, then 3. Any move beyond 3 is a clear sign of a rally ahead towards the moon here. Appears difficult looking at the stronger bearishness what we had seen yesterday. On the sell side, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.82 levels itself, or rather wait for 2.8, then expect 2.775. If this is taken, then stay short for 2.72. Below 2.72, stay short for 2.6. Very soon, if not today, I do not see this happening today at least. And below that, 2.4. Now, the chances of prices moving towards 2.6, 2.4 appears difficult, and I think impossible for the day. However, these are markets and this is natural gas. It can do wonders. And hence, as in how it moves downwards, the bearishness should increase. And I think first thing is it has to trade below this zone, which should be a stronger support, which I think will remain a greater support here for the day. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Watch that as well. Thank you.